Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging to Austin Energy demand response step by step clearly. To connect your EV charging to Austin Energy demand response, first, ensure you have an eligible electric vehicle and compatible charging equipment. Next, visit the Austin Energy website to find the demand response program details. Create an Austin Energy account if you do not have one already. Log into your account and navigate to the demand response section. Review the program requirements to confirm your EV charging station meets the specifications. Complete the application for demand response participation. If approved, you will receive instructions on how to set up your charging station. Install any necessary software or mobile application provided by Austin Energy. Connect your EV charging station to your home Wi-Fi network as per the instructions provided. Link your charging station to your Austin Energy account through the mobile application or web portal. Configure your charging preferences based on the program guidelines. Monitor your charging sessions through the app to ensure they are participating in the demand response program. Be aware of notifications regarding peak demand periods to optimize your charging schedule. Adjust your charging habits as needed to align with demand response incentives. Stay informed about any updates or changes to the demand response program by regularly checking the Austin Energy website. Enjoy the benefits of lower energy costs while contributing to a more sustainable energy grid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.